Welcome back to iOS Sprinter course to all my dear iOS lovers. And today's course is the topic is activity controller and SMS, email, audio, and recording. I'm sorry, here is activity view controller. Yeah, basically we should form the requirements first of all. We should know the requirements. So first of all, when we use this view indicator, activity view indicator, whenever you want to send something else or share something else to some other apps, then we go for activity view controller. And how to send SMS from your apps, that we'll see here, and how to send emails from your app, that we'll see here, and how to record your audio, and even how to record your voice, and how to play some audio files and video files, and how to play back your own voice or something else which you have recorded earlier, that we have see here, that we're going to see now. So let's get into the topic, activity view indicator. So first of all, where it came from, UI activity view controller. Basically it came from UI kit. What is a UI kit? UI kit is a framework. And what exactly is this? UI kit is a framework which is a default framework whenever we create any project. So here I have a question, what are the default frameworks? The default frameworks are Foundation Framework, UI kit framework, and Core Graphics. So here, first of all, whenever we have any kind of projects or any kind of tasks from our customer or someone else, so first we should understand the requirement. Then based on the requirement, we should choose what exactly the framework which apps or which solves our requirement. Then we should choose the what exactly, how many, what are the classes which exactly apps for our requirement again. Then we need to see the methods. We need to work on the methods. Then it's all the issue or the task, whatever it is. And now our requirement is we need to share some image or some message to some other apps. How can you do that? Let's see. So to share that, we have a beautiful class from UIKit framework that is called UI Activity View Controller. So just need to create the, I just declared here, I declared in viewcontroller.em, which means it is private to this class, which is nothing but it's a default extension, means which is you are going to add a private variable simply. That's what it is. And there's a one text label. So what I think I already told that my requirement, isn't it? So we need to type something and need to share that to some other apps. All right. And then, so first look at the view controller or storyboard. So look at this. This is my interface builder in my storyboard. So this is my text view. So where I'm going to type something here, and then I just want to share to what are the available apps from my iPhone. So if you see this, I connected to my iPhone real device. It's an iPhone 6 now, and now I'm going to type something here and just click this and share. So what exactly happening when I'm clicking this? Look at this. Share activity means this is what happening when I'm clicking it. It's very simple. You entered as a initialize with objects this array, and then you need to pass that array or input to your activity view indicator. That will take care, that will hold your content, whatever the content you send to some other apps. So it will automatically showcase all the apps which are available in your iPhone. Let's see. So currently, let me share my iPhone screen here. I think it's locked now. Just a minute. Let me share my screen. That's what my real device iPhone screen here. So let's run the same application once again here. This is what my application is. Look at this. Yeah. So this is my real device. I'm going to type something. Hi, this is my sample message from my custom app. Now I'm sharing this message from activity view controller activity view controller test app. All right. So here you just type this message and now would like to share. Now you'd like to share here. So just press this button here, which is there in the share button. So look at this. I just clicked it. Now you'll see all the available apps from my iPhone, isn't it? So here you can select any of the apps here so that you can share your message. And even the wonderful thing is you can even share your to say from phone to even Mac using AirDrop as well. You want to see that? Just click the AirDrop here. I just click AirDrop. Now need to enable the AirDrop here, everyone. And now just a minute, it's just keep on. And everyone, again I'm just going to click here. Just clicked it. All right. If you're telling your AirDrop, I think I need to add my AirDrop here from my Mac machine. I'm going to add my device. So both are enabled. Let me see. So both should be visible here. Think it's just finding it. Sometimes few issues are there. Let me go back. First of all, let me see. Let me see from my machine. Just a minute, please. So should I enable this first of all? Enable it. If I enable it, I should see here. First of all, it's not even visible here. So if it's visible, absolutely it can be transferred. I'm just trying to show that now. Searching for the word max, or at least it should visible my identify my phone at least. That's fine. Even it's not even detectable, but if it's detected, absolutely it can be transferred. No doubt about it. So let me try with other option like here it is. So I have a number of ways here. So what I can do is I just want to send this text to something else. So automatically something is appeared here, isn't it? So iOS developer, it's me, isn't it? So subject is test message from my app. Just send it. So once I send it, you'll be hearing some train sound. So that's what the message when it is sent successfully. That's what the sound I kept in my iPhone settings whenever any message or mail sent from my phone and receiving to my phone. Just listen the voice. It means it just send it, but it's not yet received. Need to wait for the sound down. Just a minute. Wow, I received it, but it didn't hear, it didn't make any sound here. But anyhow, I received a message just now. Look at this. So the time is 7:18 here, 7:18 p.m. and look at the time here, 7:19:23. Means just a second before, 20 seconds, 20 or 23, 27 seconds before I received a message, isn't it? So it worked on. So it successfully worked. Do you want one more? Let's see. So I'm going to type something else now. Hi, allow iOS. Just share it and just SMS again or mail again. Again, iOS developer. It's my mail ID and just send it. Okay, it's giving me the suggestion like, do you want to send without subject? Yeah, let's try it. It's sent. It's sent successfully. Let's check it out your mail. It's received, isn't it? What's the subject here? The subject is just keep on loading it. Yeah, allow iOS means we can able to successfully send or share some information or some text message or audio file, whatever it is, to any other files, isn't it? That's it. And now our next topic is SMS. How to send an SMS. Let's go there. Let's see. So it's absolutely simple. So what's our aim now? Our aim is we need to send what we need to send. We need to send some SMS or something else to our app, right? So I'm going to send something from my customer application to some as a message, perfectly as a message. So instead of sending something to somebody else, I'll be sending message to myself. Just check it out. So for this requirement, as I said, for any requirement we should first finalize what is the framework apt for our requirement. So my requirement is I need to send an SMS. For sending an SMS, we have a beautiful framework called message UI.framework. So I just imported that. Okay, and what are the main classes available here? So the main, instead of saying classes, there's a protocol called MF Message Compose View Controller Delegate. So this is a heart of this project to send any SMS to any other mobiles or something else, isn't it? So now, so let's run this. So before going further, let me yeah, let me run this, or else just a minute. So we need to just a minute. So we can even do from here. Yeah, just copy this because we are going to send our own message here. SMS video. Just replace with this file with this one. Now, so we have our own messages here. So category, Mac, protocol, iOS doc, and this all should have now. So where are those? Do we have all those here? We do not have all those things here, but let me keep all those things in our application, isn't it? So to avoid issues, so category, Mac, protocol, that's it. So we'll add a few more if it's necessary. So what are they here? So category PNG file is there, Mac is there. So our main aim is I'm going to send something via SMS. Protocol is there, everything is there. So I was codes doc. So do I have that? I think I have it. Let me check it out here. I think I have that. Yeah. So what's the extension I given here? Drivers course details, isn't it? So just rename it. That's it. So it's asking to use the same or not. Yes, okay, it's as it is. So we should keep this file here in our project. Okay, so third one I given here, and what else? So iOS post PDF. Okay, yeah, I'm going to put the same. Done. And what else? Table UPPT. So let's change this to something else, like here. Utilize this. Okay, done. And then I think we can test it now. Absolutely. So before going further, we should check each and everything, like category, MAC, protocol, codes, details, and PDF files all are here or not. So everything is here. So let's check it out. And before that, I'm just sharing my screen here. So let's run the application. So that's my real device. And application is about to launch. Let's launch now. Look at this. So here we have few images. It's a kind of table here. So let me change the background color as well, like the image. So we can have one image like What I can say is, just a minute. Mm, so we can keep this image for the for else we can have some files, right? So files, all our files, images. So I'm just replacing the things here. That's it. So image. I think here itself I used to have that. With a small file. Okay. So just for the sake, I'm just keeping this. Okay. Or else we can take this to make it more clear. So just like just get the image from there and then download it and then keep that image into our project. Where is that? This is a file. Or even you can keep this file as well. So I'm just that's more easy than that. So just file.jpg. So take this file and go to your self-forward method. So name is this one .jpg. We have to give the extension here because it's a JPG file. If it's a PNG file, we don't need to worry about that. But it's a JPG, so we have to give here. Okay, so here I'm not going to explain how the table is going on here, how the table is displaying here with the data, but because it's a separate topic for us, so we'll talk about that later point of time. But now our aim is we need to send something else from our application as a message, isn't it? So now let's run the application now and look at the application here. Okay, all right, so now send some SMS to whom? Okay, so to whom do you know? I already given the number here. If you observe that, I already given the number here. This is my number. And you know what? In for this, we have a beautiful, as I said, it's a protocol, MS message compose controller. We need to adopt that protocol and we need to implement the methods. So I already implemented that, this one. So this is a major protocols method. I already did it. And there's something which is really required to show that screen here. So everything already predefined, given everything here, and this is my mobile number. So what does it mean? I'm going to send something from my app to myself. So that's what you're going to observe now. All right, so they are here. We have so many images and PDFs and all those things. So now I'm going to send some image. Like let me hit my this protocol.png file. I just clicked it. Let's see. All right, so it's opened my message, iMessage automatically from my application. I'm just sending it. Message sent. Look at this. And I'm going to receive now. Just observe it. Look at that. I just received it. From where? From my service provider. I'm using Airtel. It's a service provider. I'm sorry, Idea. I'm using it. So my this message went to Idea service provider, and from there again I received it. If you want, let's go and check it out. My iMessages. Look at this. So this is what I sent it, right? Look at this. So this is when I sent it, and this is when I received it, isn't it? That's what it is. So that's how you can send SMS and all. And what else? Yeah, let's see about. I think sending an SMS and sending a mail both are pretty much similar. So if you want more details, you can contact me later point of time. But let me show you something related to audio files, and how to record your audio and how to play back the audio files and how to record it. All right, let's go back. So for audio, as I said, for everything, what should we do? We should finalize the requirement, and then we should select the framework, and then we should play with few classes and the methods, isn't it? So now my requirement is play, or we need to record some voice here and then need to play back it. So that's my aim here. Let's see. So for that, the framework is AV Foundation Framework. So that's a framework, and inside that there are so many beautiful classes are there. Look at this AV audio recorder. This is a class which really helps us to record anything. So here I'm recording my own voice, isn't it? An audio player. So audio play is a class which helps us to play whatever the audio file. So here what I'm doing, I'm playing the audio file which I just about to record now. All right. And now, so look at this code here. So first of all, I'm just creating some dummy file in my document directory, and then I'm just playing some settings here for recording, and we have few delegate methods for recording and playing here. So this is the recording delegate method, and this is a playback delegate method. All right, so let me play back here. Let me run this application in my iPhone 6. All right, look at this. Look at the debugging area here. So now the moment application is launched, there is a file that's been created in my document directory. Look at this. So this is the document directory, and with its name, it's saved with the name as tune.m4a, isn't it? Now let's start recording and then stop it and then play it. Okay, so what happens inside? When you click this record button, immediately it start recording your voice bit by bit, and everything is stored in the form of a data. And where it is storing? It is storing in this tune.m4a, isn't it? So the concept here is, for every application we have a separate application, we have a separate document directory for it. That's called a sandboxing, and that's called the secure folder, where every application has whenever it's installed successfully, isn't it? Now we are going to save this file into that document directory, and whenever you click play, we are going to retrieve that audio file and play back to users. Now let's start recording it. 3, 2, 1, start. Hi, this is a sample demo on audio file recording. Thank you so much. I'm going to stop now. It stopped. Now, whatever I did, it just went to this folder and now it's saved. Let us see. Try to hear, because as I connect to this cable, lightning cable, the voice will be very little bit slow. So try to hear it. So I'm going to press play button now. Ready, start. 1, 2, 3. Actually, there is an issue. Let's see. Let's start recording once again. 1, 2, 3, start. I hope it's something recorded. Seems like there is an issue. Let me see that. Okay. Okay. Seems like it was played, but I was not able to hear it because due to some as it's connected to some lightning cable, we're not able to hear it. So for that reason, what I did is I have given a alert here. So whenever that recording is finished, I mean playback is finished, then I'm showing that finishing playing the recording. Okay. So for that reason, so whenever it's finished, then it's showing this message. It means that it's successfully played back. All right. So you can count down. You can start counting it. So for again one more proof. So let me kill this application and just start once again. So I'm just okay. Need to show this once again. So let's push it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. So I counted around 10 digits, means 10 seconds approximately. Let me play back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's recorded and it's shown as alert, isn't it? But you're not able to hear it because of there's some technical issue here. So when I connected to this lightning cable, so I cannot able to get that voice outside. If I remove that, I cannot show my screen. Absolutely, isn't it? So as a proof, what I given here is whenever that voice is completed, so I was giving that some alert here. So I'm utilizing some delegate method here. So for that reason, whenever it's completed, it's showing some alert here. So that's a proof of playbacking here. That's it. And there are a few more, lot more topics are there in coming near future. So if you want any help or any kind of uh, course details, or if you want to learn something or online course anything, you can call me back. So here are my details. So you can contact me here, iOSDeveloper.ipa at gmail.com, and my professional blogs are Apple Developer 1524 rate blogspot.in. So this is the one, and Apple Developer dot developer 1524 rate wordpress.com. So these are the blogs where I generally used to share all my experience and my few tips for all my friends, so that that will be helpful for you even. So if you want to learn iOS codes completely in a very short time and very detailed, so that that will help you for your future days, so you can contact me here. So that's it, and I'll be back to you with a more concepts in the near future. Thank you so much. Bye bye.